Welcome to OrangePaws-Stories. Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today I will tell you about my trip to the supermarket. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A to learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually go to the supermarket once or twice a week. It is not far from my home. I take my shopping bag with me because I want to carry my things easily. When I arrive, I take a shopping basket. The supermarket is big and bright. I see many shelves full of food and drinks. First, I go to the fruit and vegetable section. I choose some apples. They are red and fresh. I also take some bananas and oranges. Then I pick up some green vegetables, like lettuce and cucumbers. I put them in my basket. Next, I go to the bread section. I see fresh bread in baskets. I choose a small loaf of bread. The smell is very nice. After that, I go to the dairy section. I take a bottle of milk. I also take some eggs. Sometimes I buy cheese or yogurt, but today I only take milk and eggs. Then I walk to the meat section. One choose some chicken for dinner. I put it in my basket. Finally, I go to the snacks section. I see cookies, chips, and chocolate. I buy a small pack of cookies for myself. It is my little treat. When my basket is full, I go to the cashier. I put my items on the counter. The cashier scans each item and tells me the price. I pay with my card. Then the cashier gives me a receipt. I put my groceries in my bag. I smile and say thank you. The cashier also smiles and says goodbye. I leave the supermarket. I carry my bag and walk back home. The bag is a little heavy, but I feel happy. I bought everything I need for the week. At home, I put the food in the kitchen. The fruit goes into a bowl on the table. The milk and eggs go into the fridge. The bread stays on the counter. I wash the vegetables and put them away. Now everything is ready for cooking and eating. Going to the supermarket is simple, but it is important. It helps me get food for my family and myself. I like to choose fresh and healthy things. Sometimes it is busy, but I don't mind. I enjoy shopping when I have time. This is my trip to the supermarket. What about you? Do you go shopping every week? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Because in the end, goodness always wins. If you enjoyed this magical story, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to OrangePaws-Stories for more adventures. See you in the next story.